This is a long-seated single-arm cable row. Now, your setup will vary depending on your cable machine, whether it's a stack machine or an actual proper bilateral cable row where you've got the foot platform for your feet to go on. If you're doing it with a normal cable machine or a different setup, you want to make sure that, especially if you have a decent amount of weight, that you have something to counter your feet up against. So, I mean, I can use the edge of my rack here, but you'll see a lot of people, they might put like a plate or something like that, so that way their feet can push into, so they've got some counterweight throughout the row. So either variation, whatever works for you. I've got a single arm handle attachment. I'm in that long seated position where my legs are outstretched in front of me. I can feel my sit bones, so that ischial tuberosity kind of underneath your butt cheek, those two little bony protrusions, you want to feel those, and we want to get nice and tall and stay tall through the movement here. Now, I'm going to be using one arm here. I'm going to initiate the movement through my elbow, guiding that elbow towards my back pocket, and then on the way back. My elbow will go to just about midline or just past midline, is about as far as we want to travel here. If you want to match your breathing, you can exhale, inhale on the way back. You might be prescribed an alternating reach where we're getting some spinal rotation as well through the movement. Common mistakes that you see here are, one, people will start to kind of extend through their back as the weight gets heavy, or two, will initiate the movement by retracting their shoulder blades first. We want to make sure that the elbow initiates the movement first. The shoulder blade will naturally move how it's supposed to. We want to get full protraction at that top, so that little bit of the reach, but not enough reach that we're kind of slumping down and our sternum's then pointing down to the floor. Our sternum should still be, and our gaze should be straight ahead throughout the movement. It can also be easy to kind of get into that upper trap and ear as we get fatigued. So again, it's that elbow cue. Draw that elbow towards that back pocket will help clear that up.